During this long duration, Uber and Lyft bring on face something restrictive. You are more likely to get same driver every time you book a cab. Ever wondered over how would it feel to wear Apple Vision Pro for straight 100 hours? If yes, then this article will solely revolve around the pros, cons, and a comprehensive overview of what comes out of this insane experience. Note that we'll only be tapping into the exposure of watching movies and playing games on the high-end mixed reality headset, as covering the gadget in every respect is very unlikely. Ride-hailing on Vision Pro. To reflect on the ride-hailing apps surfing, Uber and Lyft bring on face something restrictive. You are more likely to get the same driver every time you book a cab. Battery backup? As the mixed reality headset requires a cord connection, battery poses a significant challenge as it lasts only 2 hours or so on a single charge. Wearer would need to switch batteries every 2 hours. Gaming? For such a prolonged duration, gaming too can be drastic, as spatial Apple Arcade games offer a 3D gaming experience, but they still maintain an arcade-style gameplay. Cut the Rope 3 and What the Golf are both straightforward games, which is evident in their gameplay. The controls on Vision Pro involves using a pinch to tap or pinch and pull to swipe. Without even trying more spatial games, it's clear that they will have restricted controls. Editing. When it comes to video editing on Lightroom or Final Cut Pro, Visionos offers the option to utilize the Mac Virtual Display feature. This feature allows you to mirror a MacBook to a virtual 4K display, providing the ability to enlarge the content. The high resolution of Vision Pro ensures that every aspect of macOS appears clear, with sharp text and icons that are precise and easy to work with. Additionally, Visionos allows for the convenient use of iPadOS apps alongside the Mac Virtual Display. With universal control, the MacBook Pro's mouse and keyboard can seamlessly move between and control all 3 types of apps, making it effortless to complete your tasks. Seemingly changing UI. In just over 48 hours, avatars will transition from the uncanny valley to being virtually identical to your actual face. When entering immersive environments, you will get visibility of only your hands only, and it will be possible to recognize and display other objects, such as a coffee mug. The range of environments available will expand, offering including charming fantasy realms and enabling you to manipulate elements like the weather. Since it's an immensely broader subject to cover in one go, we hope that the aforementioned stuff should serve for the initial phase of venturing out to try the mixed reality headset for a few hours straight or even days.